My friends over at Insta360 have sent over the brand new Go Ultra.
Woohoo!
Oh, what is all of this? What is all of that? I have a full review coming soon, but this video will be unboxing, testing out some of these accessories, and setting everything up. So, I don't even know where to start. I think we'll start off with the camera itself and get to all of these. So, let's just move all of these out of the way, and let's take a look at the Insta360 GO Ultra. I love what they're doing, reducing the size of the packaging, because the Go 3S packaging, if you remember my video on that, it was fairly big, and this is just a nice little square, just like the camera, which is also a nice little square. Oh, that is beautiful packaging. So I guess we just take it off. Oh, that's so smart. It's magnetic. So here's the camera itself. I'm so happy I got the matte black. It looks so nice and pretty. And check this out. We have our magnetic pendant, which, oh, this has actually been redesigned a little bit. And then we've got our USB-C charging cable. I love how they made it C to C. What we all love about the Go 3S is returned with the action pod. So this is what I love about the Go series. It is pretty much like a standard action camera. And look, they've even had this little grip here. That is so nice. And then obviously it flips up. Oh, that feels so nice. The Go 3S felt a little bit cheaper, but this feels very premium and luxury. We'll put that there. Now let's take a look at one of the other bigger packages. I'm really excited about this. It actually feels like Christmas right now. I love when Insta360 just sends over this massive bundle of accessories. Slides out. Okay, I'm not saying I had low hopes for Insta360 or anything, because they always do really well, but I was actually expecting this remote to feel really cheap and flimsy, but it really does feel pretty premium. Magnetically nicely goes in there. And this is a tripod, which extends so you can vlog a little bit. This is what I'm assuming to be the screw. Yes, I was right. Now, another cool accessory which I was excited to check out is the ring remote. There it is. Okay, let's take a look at the Easy Clip headbands here. Sorry, Insta360, I'm violating these boxes. And we've got a little safety card for users with sensitive skin. And we've got our instruction manual. And this is the headband accessory. So if you don't want to wear a hat, this is so you can wear it around your head. This is the quick release mount. This is definitely going to come in handy for tripods, and even this tripod, which we looked at. We've got all the little accessories for the quick release mount. I might have to put this in a separate area. Snap on, but with magnets, and we can quickly release it. So this is really helpful if you have a tripod set up and you just want to quickly release and put back on the Go Ultra. That is amazing. The pivot stand, let's give this a look. Instruction manual. This is the pivot stand itself. And then we've got a little bit here. Well, that is nice and sticky, so we can stick that to some surfaces. It folds up nicely like that. We'll screw this in just so it's all ready to go when I need it. Oh, there is so much stuff. Now we've got the charging base. Okay, instruction manual, as we've come to expect with all of these little boxes. Oh, this is really premium feeling. And that'll just plug straight into the wall. And if we just want to take our Go Ultra somewhere, oh, I really like that. That feels so nice. Okay, what else do we have here? We've got sticky tabs. These will actually be really helpful. It'll allow us to stick this anywhere that isn't magnetic. So if we don't have the pivot stand handy and we want to make like a permanent spot, holy, you can put these everywhere. Oh, I forgot to show Flexi strap mount. So this is just such an easy way to mount it on your bike. This is going to make bike content really easy. I cannot wait to dig into all of this. Stay tuned for future videos, by the way, everyone, because you can actually see all of this in use. So this is the bike stuff. I might have to set that up on my bike tomorrow, not tonight, because it is actually nighttime as of recording this. Got one of these more tab things. Oh, oops, there we go. Then we've got the quick release wrist strap. So I think it's an upgraded version of, where do we put that other wrist strap? Here it is. I think that's just an upgraded version of this. Oh yeah, there we go. There is really accessories for everything with this camera. I think we've actually finally gotten through all of it, guys. We've got the micro SD card, but I absolutely love the upgrade. The storage was actually built in on the previous Go series. So now you can get an SD card, whatever size you would like, and you can swap it out and have different SD cards for different things. Transfer footage easily. How does this, which way does this go? Up or down? I think it goes up, right? There we go. Okay, let's clear this area a little bit and just... Okay, we'll get back to all of this soon. So I have the Insta360 app downloaded. Let's go into that. Let's tap this, connect different device. There's the Go Ultra, and they are connecting and talking to each other. While it's downloading, I just want to take a look again at these accessories. Oh, yeah, I was actually curious of this. This is how the Ring remote works, by the way. It's just, look at that. It goes in on its side like this. And I guess it's just charging. Oh yeah, it's charging. There's a red light there. This actually feels a bit bigger. It feels so much bigger. And at first I was kind of not that happy about the pill shape, but honestly it's grown on me a lot. I really like the new square shape. Like, it's actually really not that much bigger than the pill. I just realized. I would put them side by side, but at the moment one of my friends is borrowing the Go 3S for some projects. It's confirmed. Also, I just put the quick release onto the tripod. So let's see what that looks like. Did I put it on the wrong way? Oh no, I didn't. Oof, that would be embarrassing. So you can vlog like this. This matte black setup is so cool. Flip it up like that. Oh, this is such a cool vlogging setup. Check that out. Well, we have lots to go through in future videos. This video, we're obviously not going to go through absolutely everything because there is a lot, and it is nighttime right now. I've got to go to bed soon. I've got school tomorrow. Like I said, this was literally just an unboxing video and a setup, which you're witnessing the setup now. Oh, what? Insta360, you cook. There's a whole live activity they've made for iOS. That is so good. There's a record and everything, so it's just always there. That is so good, Insta360. It shows the stats, the battery. Let's actually take a look at the camera though. We've got our modes, we've got video, pure video, free frame video, toddler Titan, that's a funny name, time shift, time lapse, loop recording, slow motion, star lapse, burst photo, interval photo, video. And then you've also got some presets here. So everyone, that was a little unboxing. Obviously we'll have more videos coming in the future of different parts of the Go Ultra. I cannot wait to explore this camera. There's so much to do, so much to check out. So stay tuned, subscribe for more, and that's all from me. Thank you for watching BuzzYT. As always, links down below and QR code on screen for TV viewers. Goodbye.